Hey everyone, today we're checking out Higgsfield Sora 2, the AI cinema engine with unlimited generations, global access, and no waitlist. It also produces clean videos with no watermarks. I'll show you how it works inside Higgsfield.ai, including the new Sora 2 Pro features, and demonstrate how you can create cinematic videos and short-form content using the platform. To get started, search for Higgsfield.ai, or you can find the link in the description below. Just log in with your Google account and you're ready to start creating and editing images. You'll find all the top AI image editing tools. Let's jump in and create something using Sora 2 Trends. I'm going to write a prompt about a child sitting in the backyard with a cat and her kittens when suddenly a kidnapper in a mask shows up, but the cat saves the child. If you need help writing your prompt, just click Assist and then hit Generate Video Prompt. Type in what you want to create and the AI will help you out. Once you've got your prompt ready, paste it into the prompt box and choose which platform you're creating for. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, YouTube. Now let's adjust some settings for visuals and sound. For visuals, you can choose between realistic, anime, or custom, where you describe exactly how you want the scene to look. Or just leave it on auto. Same goes for sound. Pick what works for you. For duration, I'm setting it to 12 seconds. As for video quality, you can choose between 720p or 1080p. Quick note, the unlimited plan gives you 720p. Let's start with the Pro Max plan at 1080p first, and then I'll show you how to use the unlimited option. Now let's see what we got.
Gotcha, kid. Get off!
Mom!
Hey, let her go!
Back off, man!
I'm leaving. You okay, sweetie?
Uh-huh, she saved me.
Brave girl. Hero.
Hey, get away from my son!
Cops! Forget this. I'm out.
It's okay, sweetie, I've got you.
Now let's see what happens when we use the same prompt but choose YouTube instead. This will give us a horizontal video rather than the vertical format we just made.
Hey there, little one.
Mama?
Oh, get off me! Stupid cat!
Harper!
You okay, kiddo?
Yeah, I think so.
Thank goodness.
Now I'll show you how to use the unlimited feature. Just a heads up, to use this with Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, you'll need either the Ultimate or Creator plan. Go to Settings and switch the mode to Standard. This lets you generate 12-second videos at 720p. Now let's turn on the unlimited feature. For this example, I'm going to write, a cat and a dog are playing in a room. The cat breaks a glass, and a woman comes in asking, who did that? The dog points at the cat, and the cat runs away. Let's see what the unlimited option gives us. You can generate 2 videos at the same time without burning through any credits.
Who did that?
I've generated 2 videos, so let's check out this one too.
Oh my gosh! Who did that?
That was pretty cute. Let's create something else. This time, we're making a cinematic, high-action movie scene with Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 Pro. If you're subscribed to Ultimate or Creator, you get unlimited generation with no watermarks. Super clean output. Now click on Video and let's write our prompt. For my prompt, I'm going with a high-action scene. Giant centipede versus giant spider. The spider's the good guy here, protecting a woman from the evil centipede. Click on Model, and let's first start with Sora 2. Then turn on Unlimited mode and hit Create. This lets you generate 2 videos running simultaneously.
Come on, please.
And then I'll run the same prompt using Veo 3.1. Now let's try the image to video. I've got an image ready, so I'll upload it and add my prompt. Sora 2 works better with non-human characters like anime for image to video. So let's test that out.
He's even bigger up close. Do you think he knows we're here?
Not yet. Keep quiet.
There it is.
And there are many things you can create with this. Let me show you some examples. Add videos,
Time doesn't wait. It moves forward, backward, sometimes feels like all at once. The question is,
When the room feels funky, don't you fresh? Just a little spritz and it's heaven sent. Fresh air bliss. What a beautiful day. Breathe happiness.
Has a new scent, Bonaparte, Eau de Conquête, crafted with notes of basil, sea air, and smoked leather to command every room.
Conquer with confidence.
Bonaparte.
One sip and the city wakes up.
Power in motion. Let's fly. To
Every finish line.
Cheers.
Together. Red Bull gives you wings. Red Bull.
dramatic TV teasers,
You risk the crew for a trinket?
It's no trinket. It's a promise.
Whatever that key opens, everyone wants it shut.
Then we open it first.
And pray we survive the door.
I've carried it through 3 cities in a war zone. Everyone wants it. No one knows what it does.
Keep walking, Levi. We're almost out of time.
Out here, there are no second chances. The wind will strip you to bone. The fire takes what's left. Then you fight!
reaction videos,
No way! That harmony's crazy.
No way! He's going straight for the donuts. Look at his little hands. Oh, stuck. Yep, there it goes. He's just leaving with it. Like it's his now. Honestly, respect.
streaming content,
He's down. Let's go. By the way, game fuel for tonight, classic Doritos. I keep a bag on deck. Can't queue without them. Look at that color. Perfect crunch. Cheers. That hits different. Another one for the snack squad. Let's push up. Smokes out. Double XP and Doritos.
romantic scenes,
If I could see your smile again, I'd know the world is still worth fighting for.
and more. The good thing is it has unlimited generations, no watermarks, and you can use different models for video generation, image editing. All the top AI tools are available. So instead of paying separate subscriptions and having credits run out, here you might find a solution. Think if this can help your work and try it out if it makes sense for you.